Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
And of course, Funny Awolowo, ladies and gentlemen, we have superstar, super duper star, Mercy Aito in the building tonight. All about my divas. Ladies and gentlemen, you're wondering, someone is locking down Nigeria all the way from UK. It can only be K-Manchi. K-Manchi. DJ wait. People want to take pictures. DJ wait. You know what? My sister, 10. With that 10, you take your selfies, you take your group photographs. Alright, the first 10, let's have the first 10 now. So, let Funny Awolowo join her. And let Nkechi, where are you? Nkechi, bring your back. Sorry. Just come, please. I didn't happy say you wear dress today. You know where, you understand? Anything will go exposed. Come on, go there. Oh my Jesus! Alright, so we're going to take pictures. 10. So the first 10, please. Let's have the first 10. 1. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, 10. Boss, 10, don't complain like that. So let's do 10. After this 10, take your selfies. After the selfie, we can do group photographs. You are touching me with something else. I don't know what you're trying to do. Hey, my instructor. My guy,
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gwa TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.